How to send money to Chime from bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Chime account, and after that you will be able to find the option of move money at the bottom. Simply select it. After that, select the option of transfer from other banks. After that, you need to select the option of link your external account. Now click on this option of continue, and it is by Plaid. Basically, Plaid is helping you link your bank account with your Chime account. After that, you need to select your bank. Simply select your bank, log into your bank using your bank's credentials. After that, you need to verify your identity. Use the given options in order to verify your identity. After that, select the bank and click on continue. After that, it will ask you to confirm it. Then confirm your bank, and after that you need to just type the amount that you want to transfer to your Chime account from your bank and click on transfer. This way a preview will appear. Simply preview that particular transaction and click on confirm, and this way you would be able to transfer the money from your bank account to your Chime bank, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.